Hello and welcome to Caribbean Tierney. Today here I have an unboxing with the new line from Nemesis Audio, the Hectic series and Colossal series 6.5-inch mid speakers. So I'll just put this one aside, and here we have the Nemesis Hectic series 6.5. Let's see what we have in the box. Foam packaging. Here we have the mounting screws. And the speaker itself. 6.5-inch mid-range, 120 watts RMS, 95 decibels, frequency ranging from 135 Hz to 10 kHz, and it's 4 ohm. So this is the Hectic series. You can see stamped steel basket, paper cone, well, as you see, the magnet is pretty huge, and most likely it wouldn't fit in most doors. So I'll give you a measurement right now so you could see the lineup or the space that you have to work with. This will be in inches. So this is 5.33 inches width of the magnet. And now I'll give you the mounting depth. Now the mounting depth is 3.13 inches in depth. Now I'll just put this aside and now unbox the Colossal 6.5 inch. Same packaging as the Hectic. Here we have the mounting screws. And now we have the speaker itself. So this is the 6.5 mid-range speaker, 150 watts RMS, 95 decibels, 135 Hz to 20 kHz, 4 ohm, with carbon cone and cloth suspension. So unlike the Hectic series, the Colossal has a chrome back finish with etched lettering, and also it's got a cast aluminum basket. Here you can see the carbon cone, and also there is a phase plug at the center of it. So I'll put these two together. So now I'll give you the measurement for the magnet. So this magnet size is 5.28 inches width So I'll give you the mounting depth of the speaker now. So the mounting depth of this speaker is 3.11 inches. So these are the new speakers released by Nemesis Audio. So these are available at Caltech Customs, corner of Success Street, Chaguanas. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna do a small sound test. Basically the same way that I did the 8-inch. So it's not gonna be about which one is louder, just gonna be about the way it sounds. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did in one of my previous videos, where I'll have the amplifier set on full range and I'll have the volume set at around 15. So this video would be a video not about loudness but about sound quality. So what I'm gonna do is I'll play it free air first, and then I'm gonna play it in its package so you can hear the difference in the sound. So check this out. And now inside the package. Now the Colossal 6.5. Now in the package like the other one. Okay, so as I said, you could get this at Caltech Customs, corner of Success Street, Chaguanas. Come check us out. Thanks for watching.